Jumping like a Therian is more than just defying gravity. It's about tapping into your primal instincts and freeing the body to move naturally. Imagine catching air with the elegance of a wolf or the precision of a feline, and to start, focus on building a strong core. It's the powerhouse for most animalistic movements. Without it, your jumps will lack stability and control. Think of it as the tree trunk keeping everything together as you eat. Squats are your bread and butter here. Aim for sets of 10 to 15 reps. Not only do they strengthen the legs, but they also replicate the explosive power you need for jumping. Pro tip, add a pause at the bottom for maximum tension. Jumping jacks might seem basic, but they're crucial. Start with timed exercises, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. And this helps in conditioning your muscles for repetitive leaping, just like a real Therian would do during a chase. Invest in plyometric exercises such as box jumps, and these mimic the short bursts of energy needed for Therian jumps. Begin with lower heights to build confidence and gradually increase as you gain strength. Safety first, always. Flexibility can't be overlooked. Stretch those calves, hamstrings, and quadriceps religiously. This elasticity is key in avoiding injuries and enhancing your jump's length and height. I think even cats stretch first thing in the morning. The footing is everything. Practicing barefoot on grass can increase your connection with the ground. This not only aids your balance, but also strengthens the smaller muscles of your feet. And you'll feel like you're one with the earth beneath you. Visualization is a powerful tool. Picture yourself as your Therian counterpart, feeling the wind, sensing the terrain, and this mental rehearsal primes the brain, enhancing actual performance by up to 20%. And imagine those numbers. That's cool. Incorporate breathing techniques. Deep breaths fuel your muscles with oxygen, ensuring they don't tire out midair. Keep it steady, like the purr of a lion, empowering each jump. So breath work is the silent partner in your Therian transformation. And community plays a crucial role. After selfish, all those maybe sense of completeness that sell all migrated times, fellow enthusiasts can offer tips that you wouldn't find on your own. And trust me, learning from others' successes and mistakes is invaluable. Plus, it's fun to share the journey. Consistency is the bedrock of progress. Set a routine, perhaps 3 times a week, dedicating time to practice and refine your skills. This helps in muscle memory, making each leap more instinctive, like a Therian on the hunt. Listen to your body. Embrace rest days to prevent burnout or injury. Overtraining can derail your progress faster than you can say hawk. Balance is key in maintaining energy and enthusiasm on this exciting journey. And I finally have fun with it. jumping like a Therian isn't just about the physicality, but the joy of movement. And let your inner wild spirit loose and enjoy the sense of freedom it brings. And after all, being a Therian is all about embracing the untamed and